My name is Tyler Shaw. I work for Ping Golf here in Phoenix. I view entrepreneur mindset very much through the institutional entrepreneur, working within the organization to try to find new opportunities to grow, to find challenges, whether it be, from my field of engineering, trying to break down different engineering problems, and maybe how that impacts other groups within the organization, such as quality, management, leadership, things like that. Ping, from its core, from the patriarch of the family, Karsten Solheim, who founded Ping some 60 years ago, that was him. He is very much an entrepreneur. He came from the aerospace business and said, hey, I see all these different technologies being used in aerospace, like investment casting and different materials, and he used a lot of the mass moments of inertia and mass properties and things like that, and said, hey, I can apply this to golf and make it better. That is very much a part of our DNA.